I purchased this KIMO impact gun off of Amazon. Got it the other day. Everything you see is what it came with. The 7 bits, different sizes, cotter pin, the O-ring, the gun itself, battery charger, and the battery itself, owner's manual, instruction manual that is, and then a little sporty bag right here. I'm going to go ahead and put it to the use. Take off this tire real quick, see how it does. Trying to do this with one hand and continue to film. Pretty simple. Let's take a little pin and slide it. Not sure if you can see that, but just kind of slide the pin in the hole, line it up, put the O-ring around it to secure it. Like I said, I'm doing this with one hand, so get my battery. Slide that bad boy on. I'm going to take the bolts out. Got the rewind and forward button. See how we do. I'm going to take a couple of them out, that's all, not all of them. There we go. Alright, there you see. There's one. Oh, there's two. Alright. We're going to install them back in real fast. Go. All right, that's about it. I'm happy with it.